and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Okay guys, in this Vlogmas, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my December Boxycharm box. And I'm so excited. So if you would like to see what I got, just keep on watching. So today I have received my Boxycharm box, and I'm so excited, you guys, because I love all my Boxycharm box. Like everything that I get, I love. So I'm so excited to open this for you guys. It looks like this, and yeah, let's open it and see what we got this month. I already tore the tape off of it, So when you open it, it looks like this, you guys. It comes with this little flyer right here. It says, "'Tis the season." Look how they say the season though. You see how it says the sea, like sea and then the sun? That's so cute. Oh, they're so creative. I love Boxycharm. Okay, so right here they gave me a limited warranty. So I already know what I got, like by looking at this paper. I got the mini flat iron this month. They gave me like this limited warranty paper. And yeah, okay, so I can see it right here. I got a flat iron, but I'll show you guys. Because I already looked at the sneak peeks that they had on Instagram, and they said that they was showing us sneak peeks of what was going to be in this month's Boxycharm. You either got the makeup palette or the mini flat iron or flat hair straightener, if you would call it. But yeah, you know, I wanted the palette, but you know, I can stick with the hair straightener. So anyways, so the first thing I got is this Pretty Vulgar, the powder room. Okay, so this is the translucent setting powder. It looks like this, you guys. I hope I was holding, okay, maybe let me do it like this. I don't know if I was holding it backwards. And yeah, let's see how it looks. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, look, it comes with like a mini poof thing, like to put on your face. I always wanted this. I don't know what you call it, so I can't remember, but look, it's so cute. It's pink. And I guess this is a translucent powder, so it can go with any skin tone. I'm gonna use this to set my concealer. So it looks like this, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to open it because you know it's gonna spill everywhere, but you see it inside. It looks like that. So this is nice. I will let you guys know if it, you know, how it is on my face when I set my concealer. Okay, so the next thing is this Tarte. It's called Tarte's shimmering lip paint. I got the color Strike Gold. Ooh. I knew, for some reason, when I seen this online and on Instagram, I knew that they was gonna give me this color, this shade. Oh, this is nice. It looks like this. You guys can see that? That is nice. I really like that. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Because I don't have a mirror. Wait. This is so pretty. Ooh, okay. I'm sorry, I'm excited. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is so pretty. It's so shimmery. Ooh, I'm gonna use this. I'm sorry. Stay tuned for a makeup look, you guys. That is cute. I like this. Okay, so I'll probably top that with my red lipstick, or just leave it by itself, depending how it is. But that looks cute. Okay, the third thing that I got is this lip liner in the shade Timber by Bodyography. It looks like this, you guys. I'm also gonna swatch this on my hand. Let's just give you the shade. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, okay, I'm sorry. But look at it. Oh, you see that? That is so pretty. I really like that, you guys. I like the shade here. Okay, I love, like, I get so excited when I receive my Boxycharm. I know it's something nice. Okay, the fourth thing that I got is this Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Ooh, I love stuff like this. I love receiving stuff like this, you guys. It looks like this. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, okay. Can't wait to use this tonight. Last but not least is I knew this is the mini flat iron. It looks like this. It comes like this, you guys. Okay, so basically, okay, I already torn it off. Okay, so it comes like this was over it, you guys. I'm sorry. So this was over this, and it comes like, open it like this, and like it's like a pouch. So flat iron is in here. Oh, this is cute. They wasn't playing when they said mini. Look how small this is. Girl, to lay them edges when I don't perm my hair. This is really good to straighten my edges and stuff. And my bang, but it's cute and I love the color. So it looks like this. I'm excited though, you know, even though I did prefer the palette, but hey, you can never go wrong with an extra flat iron. So thank you, Boxycharm. Yay, I'm so excited. I will be using this stuff. I can't wait, especially the charcoal mask. I'm more excited about the flat. I like the flat iron. I like everything in this box, but I'm like more excited for. I'm sorry, I dropped the thing. But I'm more excited about the flat iron, this detox mask, and my this shimmery lip paint. I can't wait to wear this, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, you guys, that is all I got in my Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas. Bye, you guys.